Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable mentions on LinkedIn. In today's digital landscape, staying connected and engaging with others on professional platforms like LinkedIn is crucial. One of the most effective ways to do this is by using mentions in your posts and comments. But before you can start mentioning others, you need to ensure that you're set up to receive mentions yourself. Let's walk through the steps to enable mentions on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of icons at the top of your screen. Click on the Me icon located at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access various settings related to your account. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to customize how you interact with LinkedIn, including how others can interact with you. From the Settings menu, select Visibility. Here you'll find options related to how your profile appears to others and how you're notified about interactions. Now scroll down to the Mentioned by Others section. This is where you control whether others can mention you in their posts and comments. To enable mentions, simply toggle the switch next to Allow Others to Mention You to the On position. This will allow anyone to mention you in their posts, which can help increase your visibility and engagement on the platform. Enabling mentions is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your LinkedIn experience. It allows you to be part of conversations, build connections, and expand your professional network more effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to receive notifications whenever someone mentions you, helping you stay on top of your interactions and respond promptly. In conclusion, enabling mentions on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that can significantly boost your engagement and visibility. Whether you're looking to build your personal brand or enhance your company's presence, being open to mentions is a crucial step. So, take a few minutes to adjust your settings today and start connecting more effectively with your professional network.